Understanding slam the door. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, slam the door. This expression is not just about physically closing a door. It carries more meaning and emotion. Let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Remember, understanding such phrases can enrich your English communication skills significantly. First, let's look at the literal meaning of slam the door. To slam a door means to close it forcefully and loudly. It's not just shutting the door. It's doing it with a lot of energy and noise. This action often indicates anger or frustration. Imagine someone leaving a room in a hurry and closing the door with a loud bang. That's slamming the door. In many cases, slam the door is used figuratively. When someone says, "He slammed the door on our proposal," they don't mean a physical door was closed. Instead, it suggests that the person rejected the proposal strongly and abruptly. This metaphorical use can be applied in various contexts, like relationships, opportunities, or negotiations. The phrase is often used to express strong emotions. If someone slams a door, they might be feeling angry, upset, or frustrated. In English, describing someone as slamming a door can indicate their emotional state. For example, "She slammed the door when she heard the news," implies that she was upset or angry about the news. It's also important to understand the cultural context. In many cultures, slamming a door is considered rude or disrespectful. It's often seen as a sign of poor manners or lack of self-control. Understanding this can help you better interpret the phrase in different scenarios. Slam the door is a versatile phrase in English, used both literally and figuratively. Whether it's expressing strong emotions or indicating a firm rejection, this phrase adds depth to the language. We hope this video helps you understand and use slam the door more effectively in your English conversations. Happy learning!